Hi guys, welcome to my page, my channel. If you're coming on this channel for the first time, you just stumbled on this page, please like, share after watching and subscribe to my channel. In this video today, I'm going to share with you how I make my Zobo. Zobo is a popular drink in Nigeria, West Africa to be precise, and it's actually a very healthy drink. It has a lot of healthy benefits. So before I show you how I make my Zobo, please let me introduce myself. Welcome to my page again, my channel. These are the list of the ingredients in what we're using in making Zobo. This is the hibiscus flower, ginger and brown sugar and pineapple. It's actually very simple. This is the brown sugar. I believe is more low in calorie than white sugar. This is the hibiscus leaf itself, which is called Zobo. It's called Zobo in the northern part of Nigeria where it's mainly common, and it has a lot of health benefits. As we go along, I'm going to be reading to you some health benefits in which I also discover more benefits in which I discover from Guardian Nigeria. So what the first thing you have to do is you have to make sure you rinse your pineapple, because we're going to be using the skin of the pineapple in our Zobo. Pineapple, make sure you use a very ripe pineapple. Reason being is because it has a lot of sugar content in it. It's a natural sugar. That way it's going to stop you from using any artificial sugar. So which is why I'm using a very ripe pineapple. So chop your pineapple into smaller bits in order to be able to blend properly. We're going to blend it with the ginger. So chop your pineapple, put the skin in the pot. Once the skin it's peeled, put it in the pot. We're not throwing it away because we have to boil it together with these Zobo leaves. So as we go along, I'm going to read the benefit of Zobo for to you guys. And this I discover, apart from knowing that it's a very healthy drink, I just discovered this benefit, which is from the Guardian Nigeria. It says, aside fertility, some other benefits of Zobo drink includes helping with weight loss, helps with maintaining healthy high, fight high blood pressure, combat anemia, support the digestive system, helps curb the hypertension syndrome, prevent early aging, helps the liver function properly, and reportedly treat depression in early stage. So those are the benefits. And I'm going to rinse my Zobo leaf. You have to make sure you rinse it because it has sometimes has a lot of sand in it, or a bit of tiny particles of stone, little stone. So I advise for healthy for hygiene purposes, please make sure you rinse your Zobo leaves, which is called hibiscus leaf in English. That's the English name. It's called Zobo in the northern part of Nigeria. So as I've read earlier on, those are the sand in which I'm trying to tell you to make sure you prevent. So why you have to rinse it. You can see they're very tiny, but I think you should be able to see what I'm trying to show you. So once that is done, I'm boiling water in which I'm going to add to the leaves and the pineapple in the pot. So I boil water in order to fasten the cooking. So I'm going to add the hot water once it's boiled. You're going to be boiling for like about 10-15 minutes. So we're going to boil the leaves with the pineapple skin for about 10-15 minutes. Adding more water, I'm making about 5 to 6 liters of Zobo drink. Zobo drink is actually very healthy. It's one of the most popular benefits of it is fertility. Apart from the fertility part of it, It's also good for maintaining good eyesight. It fights high blood pressure. And today I just discovered from the Guardian Nigeria that it's a good combat for to fight anemia and blood pressure, support digestive system. So once that is boiling, I'm going to be boiling my pineapple with ginger. So ginger is a natural flavor rather than using an artificial flavor, and it's also good for the heart. It's good um for salt throat and all that. So add some water, and I'm going to blend the pineapple together with the ginger. So make sure you blend till it's very smooth, because we'll be pouring it in the Zobo once it's boiled. Boil your Zobo leaf for 15 minutes alongside with the pineapple, and boil the blend the pineapple together with the ginger. Very smooth. Blend it till it's very smooth. As you can see, it's actually very smooth. So give your pineapple and the Zobo leaf a stir. Once it's boiled, you leave it to I'm checking the thickness of it, how infused it's been. So the you might like it a bit lighter, you might like it a bit thick. The option is yours. So it's actually boiled. I left it to cool down. Then you pour the ginger and the pineapple blend in it. I have a little helper, as you can see. So just reason a little bit of the um of it in the bottle into the pot. So I'm going to stir it. Yeah. So guys, I'm just going to remind you, please always like my videos whenever you watch, and please thanks to all subscriber, please share with friends and family, invite them to watch my channel. I try as much as I can to bring add my brown sugar, like I was saying, to upload video each week. But sometimes as a caterer, when I'm very busy with workload, I'm unable to do that. Please bear with me. I hope I'll be able to bring more interesting video for you that can engage you. So it's all done now, and the next stage is for us to sieve it. We have to sieve it in order to prevent all the particles. So there's this preservative, I can't remember the name precisely. If you're keeping your Zobo in the fridge for longer than 5 or 7 days, you should put a preservative. Apart from that, you don't need to put a preservative in it. But if it's staying longer than expected, you have to just to make sure it keeps it fresh. So you sieve it this way. What I do with my Zobo is I put it in a bottle and I just keep it in the fridge once it's sieved. Zobo, like I said, is actually very healthy, prevents early aging, helps liver function properly, and it's also reportedly used in treating depression in early stage. So the healthy benefit is actually um, one of the things that should drive you to embrace Zobo. It's actually better than you taking Coke. It doesn't have any gas or preservative that is unhealthy. So I bottled my Zobo this way once it's cooled down, and I just put it in the fridge. So guys, that is how I make my Zobo. Remember to like when you watch, remember to share with friends and family, and please turn your notification button. I do appreciate you. Thanks for watching always, and thank you for supporting your girl, and I hope to see you soon. So this is my Zobo with some ice block, and I enjoyed it. It's been very, very sunny in this part of the world, London, United Kingdom. So I've been craving for this, and I've been drinking it for like about over 2 weeks. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you again soon. Bye bye. Ciao, ciao. See you soon.